Hey, MzeroA Nation, Jason here, pulling into the Ocala airport right now, just to end up flying to the Williston Airport. That makes a lot of sense. I could drive to the Williston Airport. Why drive to the Williston Airport when you can fly to the Williston Airport? Actually flying with the office dad. We're heading over there to help with some maintenance, avionics install on our new Electronics International gauges, going from analog to digital in 512 Romeo, soon to be 512 Mike Zulu.
Traffic, November 23 Mike Zulu, turning final for runway 5, full stop, Williston.
Hey, MzeroA Nation, Jason here, out working on, well, our project 512 Romeo, soon to be 512 Mike Zulu. Today we're actually working on the install of EI Electronics International, their CGR 30P and 30C units. You may recognize these same units we actually have in 23 Mike Zulu. It allows me to consolidate so much engine, fuel data, electrical data, all into two simple units as opposed to having a million different gauges, and gain some new stuff as well. So of course we have our electronic data computer here. Fuel module to take the analog fuel data and make it digital, as well as with our new fuel flow meter. We'll be installing G meter, because who doesn't need a G meter? That's just a cool thing to have, right? That was not a necessity. I mean, it was a necessity. But, anyways, EGT probes, CHT probes, oil temperature probe here. We'll use this one for OAT, we'll use this one for carb temp, and then of course for our amps and our oil pressure over here. Let me take you and show you now a little bit inside of what 512 Romeo, soon to be 512 Mike Zulu, gotta keep all that branding together, actually looks like inside. So redoing everything, obviously the whole panel, keeping everything steam, analog gauges that we're gonna keep basically here with an Avidine stack, though we will do an HSI in there, where we're gonna put the EI. We'll have to recut the panel over on this side. We're going to stack them kind of on top of each other. But you see, in a Cessna 150, we don't have a lot of panel space to work with. So all I had was oil temp, oil pressure, and my two fuel gauges, and that's it. We're now adding all the CHT, all the EGT data that I can gather, everything electrical, everything else, all consolidating in two nice to reach and really, really easy spots to get to. So it's certainly a work in progress, but we're going to get to doing some wiring and get all of that slowly set up. You kind of get to see the process. For those of you who don't know, 512 Romeo, this is my very first airplane. Had to sell it when it kind of fell on some hard financial times, and very blessed to be able to buy it back and bring it back to its glory days and modernize it for like 2020, 2021 as well, with keeping the classic steam in there still as well.